Hi, in this video today we will discuss about how to hide or remove posting rights to user in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Now the first step is sign into your user account, go to the purchase order or any screen you want, go to settings and click on personalize. The second step is click on post button, hide post badge and post and print option. Now the third step is click on action, others, hide post, post and print and post badge option. The fourth step is go to purchase order, click on post, hide post, post print and post badge option. The fourth step is go to purchase invoice, click on post, hide post, post batch and post and print option. The sixth step is click on purchase invoice, hide post, post and print and post batch option. The seventh step is click on purchase invoice, click on post, hide post, post and print and post batch option. Thanks.